Realme has officially revealed the design of its upcoming Realme GT 8 Pro smartphone. The Realme GT 8 Pro introduces the industry's first mechanical modular design that allows users to detach, assemble, and swap components. The camera deco module can be replaced with different shapes and finishes, giving the device multiple visual identities. The GT 8 Pro will be available in white, blue, and green. The GT 8 Pro features an AG matte glass back and a matte metal frame, offering a smooth and fingerprint-resistant texture. The Realme GT 8 Pro sports a 2K 144Hz display with 7000 nit peak brightness and advanced eye protection features. An ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Realme GT 8 Pro will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor paired with 16GB RAM and their one gaming display chip. It features a 50-megapixel Ricoh GR certified main camera with a 1/1.56-inch sensor, 7p high transmission lens, and 5-layer anti-reflective coating for cleaner, distortion-free images. And 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 periscope telephoto camera. The device packs a 7000 mAh battery with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging support. Realme GT 8 Pro is set to launch in October 21st in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.